Dear students, welcome to the course on Information Sources, Systems and Services. The first course that we are going to begin with under this course is on Information Sources, Systems and Services, Concept and Need for Information. And this is your very first exposure to the concept of information sources, systems and services. During the first week of this particular course, you will be introduced to the basic concepts, characteristics and definition of information. Information needs, important difference between information sources and information resources, characteristics, kinds and types of information sources. You will also be introduced to the various information services, which are in the form of library services, reference services or computerized services. There are many international organizations, systems and centers contributing towards promotion, coordination and development of library and information services for assisting the users. You would gain knowledge about different types of information systems and organizations. Different kinds of information is found in different types of information sources. For example, research related to information is most likely found in scholarly journals. Different types of information sources use different access tools to locate the information source. For example, journal articles are located by using indexes and databases. Libraries and information organizations provide a variety of services to users by organizing their collection for ease and access and availability, and build up tools to inform what document resources they have, and also to assist users in getting any desired information. The growing demand for information and increasing use of present facilities and services indicates the need and importance of information systems within our information infrastructure. You will learn about the need for information, information sources, need for information services, and role played by information systems and programs to enable users in accessing information during the first week of this particular course.